Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to download gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see this is official website of the gigabyte motherboard. So click on search. You can see here in the right side. Then enter your model number of your required B760M DSH WiFi6 DDR generations 5. Then hit enter. Click on product. Then click on motherboard title. In updating, you can see this is open automatically new tab. Then click on support. So select operating system which is required, means Windows 10, 11 and like that. So if any, so this is installations process same. You can see this video and then install it. Okay. In driver, so see Bluetooth driver, and you can see this is download button. Always try to install latest driver, and if you see some issues latest driver in, so try to download previous version. Then click to open Bluetooth driver and just open to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to driver to a system. You can see this is install Intel driver. And close it, it is done.